Hey guys, let's start. So as usual, go into images and then we're going to type in heart onto the search tab, and ownership would be free. Let's scroll down to look for our image. Okay, we're going to use this one here and I'm going to copy and paste that. First time I'll be using the contour option on your right hand side at the bottom. Now I'm going to click on hide all contours. That will hide up all the things on that heart shape and leave that out alone. So I'm going to copy and paste the heart shape and we'll keep that to the side. Let's bring these two together, highlight. As usual, go into alignment. Okay, align top or align bottom. And I'm going to weld this. Now we'll go ahead and change the size. So it's going to be 22 by 12. Same thing, we'll move on to the other heart shape with a width of 11 and the height of 12. Right, I'm just going to change the color here so that it falls on two separate mats. And we'll go ahead and make it. It's quite fast and simple, and I'll show you at the end how the cut turns out.